back at the show. And let's do fast talk. Lian, paz o present?
Present.
Hot babe, pretty babe.
Pretty babe.
Takbo.
Tatak.
Pataas, pababa.
Pataas.
Manila, Cebu.
Cebu.
Idol mo sa sex bomb, sino?
Rochelle.
Best dancer sa EB Babe, sino?
Ako?
I like that. Pangarap mo maka-showdown, sino?
Rochelle!
Ganda yon. Maganda ako, tuwing.
Bagong gising.
Ang pogi ni Mr. Tuwing.
Tuwing, Miss Weldo.
1 to 10. Ilan ang artistang nanligaw sa'yo?
Secret.
1 to 10. Ilan ang naging ex mong artista? Tabi-tabi dyan.
Isa lang.
Forgive or forget?
Forgive.
To love or to live?
To love and to live.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Later. Charot.
Tabi-tabi po, hashtag ng buhay mo ngayon.
Hashtag work in progress.
I love it. Work. Aren't we all works on progress? Mensahe para kay Paulo.
Pao, thank you. Thank you for being there. And thank you for being a friend.
Right.
Yes, and I wish you well sa lahat-lahat.
Okay.
Gusto ko maging masaya ka din sa buhay. At gusto ko meron ka din makasama habang buhay.
That's nice. At saka, di ba, we're all work in progress. Even this friendship, lahat ng nangyayari. Balikan ko lang yung sex bomb, sila Rochelle. Gaano katindi talaga ang rivalry niyo noon? Or was there rivalry?
Actually, wala talaga, Tito Boy. Actually, wala kami idea. Hindi namin alam na may rivalry pala. Kasi yun yung lumalabas talaga dahil nga kami yung pumalit sa kanila. But we didn't know. That time, we didn't know na kami yung papalit sa sex bomb.
Yung mga pisikalan, totoo yun, hindi?
Siguro feeling lang namin na physical kami kasi ang gagaling nila.
Oo. Ako na isa man, if Rochelle is watching, di ba? Can you imagine, agawan ng tickets, may 5 na yata.
Yes,
Around
and
5.
it's really privileged
And
to
how
be
was that
part of it.
experience when you were in the show?
Grabe, sobrang saya.
Oo.
Looking back, talagang nostalgic yung experience.
Correct.
And it was my birthday that time.
Wow.
Yeah, so talagang wow, birthday ko sa whole Araneta.
The end, life is good.
Yes,
Di ba?
life is good, God is good.
God is good. I was about to say that. Maraming salamat. Thank
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Salamat.